Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use Bluehost Help Center for Sport. So before creating your account, you will have to purchase a plan, and if you want to buy premium or subscription of Bluehost, please go through the link in description. So if you purchase this basic plan, you will get this benefits: 10 websites, 10 GB storage, 100 concurrent visitor, ideal for 40k visitor, and AI site creation tool, 30 days money back guarantee, free domain first year, pro email and free SSL, free CDN, web application firewall, and DDoS protection, and 24/7 chat support. So before you creating your account, just log in simple. Just tab on the top right corner of this icon, and here you will see the help. So just tab on help. So here is the sport contacts, and here you will see the icon of chat. So just tab on this chat icon, so you can live chat with help sport on Bluehost. So I will just tab on it. So here you will see, you will just describe your problem issue, and it will be reply you with feedback resolved. So I will just tab on it. For tab on purchase new services, so he will provide the solutions of sale purchases. So if I want to then tab on web hosting, so it will be provide me web hosting solutions. So this is how you can chat support on help center Bluehost. Hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.